Hello and welcome to another video, and it's a beautiful morning here in Kidderminster, and today I've got a tarmac pressure washing job. So the first thing I'm going to do is change the nozzles in my whirlaway. Now, because my flat surface cleaner is a 20-inch machine, but I've got 30 litres, not that the width makes any difference, I've got 30 litre a minute pressure washer. I've got to choose a, what size is it? It's an 04 nozzle for a 30 litre a minute. I have had 15-degree jets in there because I've been doing block paving with a lot of moss in, but now I am putting 45-degree jets in for tarmac. So we'll get this changed out. Now these, they're tapered, so when you screw them in they tighten themselves up. So you don't need any PTFE tape on them, you can just wind them in tight. So we'll change these, and as you can hear, the tank's already filling. We'll have a look around and we'll get cracking with the pressure washing. Now if these haven't been changed for a while, they can be a bit tight, but they should come undone. And it's just a 14mm spanner on these. And I tighten them up so the line of the nozzle is in line with the bar. I don't know if that's right or not, but that's the way I do it. And they don't need to be really tight. Right, that's that done, so let's get on with it. So we've got a few slabs there, not a lot, and then this is the driveway. It's all nicely sloping. Round here we've got a nice eco drain there, which should take all the water away. Check that, there's a few weeds in it, but nothing too bad. We've got this tarmac here, and then we've just got a few slabs there, not too bad. So let's get cracking and see how we get on. Dog there, look, nice and neat. Washing down tarmac, you always want to use as wide a nozzle as possible. If you use a narrow nozzle, this will leave lines in the tarmac when it dries out.
pressure washing tarmac, you want to keep your flat surface clean and moving all the time. Do it figures of 8s or little circles and not in straight lines. If you use straight lines when it dries out, you'll see that left on the tarmac. At this point here, I used my hose as a straight edge to get a nice straight line between the job I was doing and the neighbours. When it comes to washing down tarmac, the best way is to get as much water on it as possible. So I'd swap from my lance with a 40-degree nozzle on to my X-Jet, getting loads of water and turning that dirt that's on it into a liquid and getting it moving along. Actually finished, I went round with my lance and a 40-degree nozzle and took all the weeds out between the tarmac and the edging stones.